Welcome to the sale of our Ford Anglia 105V Sprint car. This car is owned by Pete Farrington, a national scrutineer for the REC, so the car's spot on. It's up to regulation and ready to roll. You can see the bodywork is nice and bright. It's also nice and light. It's stripped out as light as possible, and everything's all very well put together. You can see there's a full race frame there with all the door bars, an up-to-date seat and harness. Everything is nice and simple. Good rev counter, bias brake box, and a quick shift quaif straight cut box. You can see the suspension is fully adjustable. Disc brakes, 2.8 injection from brake calipers and discs, completely adjustable corner weights, strengthened rear axle, new Bilsteins. It all looks the part. As you can hear, the engine sounds absolutely beautiful, and on the circuit it's real crisp. Take a listen. We've got brake horsepower figures of 102 brake horsepower at the rear wheel, so about 140. Pretty damn good for a screaming 30-inch crossover. Take a listen. Sounds great. This car comes on into its own on the track. You can hear the whine of the straight cut quaif box, the howl of the Weber carburetors. The limited slip diff works a treat around these tight corners at Lone Park. Take a look, see what you think. Take this rare opportunity of buying a 105E competition car. It's an absolute cracker. It's for sale with mikeedge7 on eBay. Take a look and give us a bid. Thank you for watching.